In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal Pay in 4. This reads, now you can pay in 4 with PayPal. Just choose Pay in 4 at checkout at millions of online stores and split your payments in 4. One every 2 weeks. It's interest-free, has no impact on your credit score, and is backed by PayPal. Pay in 4. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Choose PayPal at checkout and then select Pay Later. You'll see Pay in 4 as a way to pay. Get a decision in seconds and complete your purchase. Make the down payment today and pay the rest in 3 payments. So this means you make the first payment when you choose Pay in 4, and then the other 3 payments will be paid every 2 weeks. Payments are easy to manage through the PayPal app and on paypal.com. Enjoy the power to pay later. It's interest-free. Make interest-free payments with Pay in 4. Use it at millions of online stores. In Pay in 4, you are being enabled to pay with your PayPal balance, and this is the money that you will have in PayPal. But of course, if you have no money in PayPal, this is where it could be taken from a different payment method that you have connected to your PayPal account. It also reads, get a decision in seconds. There's no impact on your credit score. You won't have to wait long to see if you are approved. This means that it's going against your PayPal activity and nothing to do with your credit score or rating. Get the same security and purchase protection you already enjoy from PayPal. When you make purchases on PayPal, you have a payment protection that is applied to your purchases, and of course when you are selling using the PayPal gateway. This means that you will be having a refund policy applied to the payments that you are making. Here you can see that Pay in 4 is applicable with these online stores. Now there are millions of online stores that accept Pay in 4. Just like the Pay in 4, Pay in 3 works exactly the same. During the checkout process, you will see PayPal and then you will see Pay in 3 or Pay in 4. Pay in 3 is for the UK and Pay in 4 is available in the US. When in the checkout process and you selected your items, then you will just literally select this button here, and in the checkout process you will be given the information that you need in order to Pay in 3. You can see that the first payment for this amount is going to be £17.94. Then 1 month later it will be £17.94 on the same date. Then another month later it will be £17.92 to complete the payment. And this will vary depending on, of course, if you're using Pay in 4 and if you're using Pay in 3. The first payment is what you'll be making on the day of making this purchase via Pay in 3 or Pay in 4. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel for more videos like this.